Welcome to this morning guided meditation. Take a comfortable position, either seated or laying down. Gently allow your eyes to close or soften your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. Again, inhale deeply and exhale, letting go. One more time, breathing in and releasing. Now allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Notice the body just as it is this morning. No need to change anything, just observing. Feeling the points of contact. Your body supported, held. Let the shoulders soften, the jaw unclenched, the forehead smooth. Now bring awareness to your breath, feeling the gentle rise and fall. The natural flow of life moving through you. Breathing in, receiving. Breathing out, releasing. Begin to sense the beginning of a new day. A fresh start, a new opening. Gently imagine a soft, warm light, like the first light of sunrise. This light begins to appear at the horizon of your awareness, soft, golden, peaceful. With each inhale, this light begins to grow. Expanding slowly, approaching you. And with each exhale, you relax more deeply into its presence. Now this warm golden light reaches you, touching the top of your head softly, gently. Like sunlight in the early morning. Allow this light to begin flowing down through your body, through your forehead, relaxing the mind, through your eyes, softening any tension, through your cheeks, your jaw, letting go. The light moves into your neck and shoulders, melting away any heaviness, any burdens from yesterday can gently dissolve. No need to carry them into this new day. Let the light continue down your arms into your hands, all the way to your fingertips, relaxed, open. Now the light flows into your chest, expanding into your heart space. Warm and peaceful. Allow your heart to soften as this light fills your heart. You may gently invite a feeling of gratitude. No need to force it, just a small awareness. Grateful for this breath, grateful for this moment, and for this new beginning. Let the light move into your belly, softening, releasing. Let go of any tightness. Trust in the flow of life. Now into your hips, your legs, flowing down through your knees, your lower legs, into your feet, all the way to your toes. Your whole body now gently illuminated, bathed in this soft golden morning light. Rest here for a few moments, feeling the light, the breath, the stillness. Now, from this place of calm, begin to sense a quiet intention forming, nothing forced, just a gentle whisper from within. You could ask yourself softly, how would I like to feel today? Peaceful, open, guided, loving, happy. Allow whatever arises to simply be. Now silently repeat to yourself, I welcome this new day. I am supported. I move with ease. I trust the path unfolding. Say it 2 times more. I welcome this new day. I am supported. I move with ease. I trust the path unfolding. One more time, with all of your heart. I welcome this new day. I am supported. I move with ease. I trust the path unfolding. Take a deeper breath in, and as you exhale, feel a sense of readiness. Not rushing, but gently awake to life. Bring awareness back to your body. The space around you. The surface beneath you. Gently begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Maybe roll your shoulders. Take your time. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes, letting the light of the day meet you. Carry this sense of calm, this gentle presence with you into your day. If you like this guided meditation, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I'm offering Yin and Yoga Nidra class on Sundays at 4 p.m. Central Time on Zoom. If you want to join my class, make a comment below the video and I will give you the link for the class. Every Tuesday at 8 p.m. Central Time, I offer a free live Yoga Nidra or guided meditation on YouTube. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you join me the next time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Namaste.